Hi, I'm Clare, and this is your Clarity Wage Parity Benefit Card. You're receiving this card because your employer elected for you to receive additional pay in the form of wage parity benefits. This means you get more money in your pocket each month in benefits rather than in cash wages. That's over $2,000 more of tax-free dollars every year to spend on things you already buy every day, like transit, parking, cell phone, dependent care, medical, dental, and vision. You can also add your Clarity Wage Parity Benefit Card to your mobile wallet for the added convenience of paying for covered expenses using your phone. While your benefit card has a MasterCard logo and works like any debit or credit card, it only works with merchants who sell eligible items or services as determined by your employer's wage parity benefit plan. A few things to remember. You can add funds to your Clarity Benefit Card. Only your employer can do that through payroll. And you can't use the card at an ATM or obtain cash back when making a purchase. Ready to start spending those hard-earned dollars? Getting started is easy. Simply register your account by scanning the QR code or by visiting claritybenefitsolutions.com/wageparity. You'll also find additional information on how to use your benefit card, obtain your PIN, check your account balance, sign up for text alerts, get answers to frequently asked questions, and more.